everyone, Debbie Richter here from Burke Center Properties. Today we're here with Phett from Three Elephants HVAC, our local HVAC contractor. Welcome, Phett.
Welcome, thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
to be here.
It's our pleasure. How long has your company been in business, and what are the services that Three Elephants provides local homeowners?
Yeah, we've been in business roughly over 15 years.
So Phett, do you service all types of heating and AC systems?
Yes, we do. We service all type, makes and brand of HVACs, including oil, fuel, electric heat pumps, straight AC, ductless systems. Pretty much all the system that you have, we can service it.
Fantastic. So we'd love to share a little history about you. Why did you decide to open this business?
Started with my friends that was in the business, and I happened to have a free weekend, and I went in there and I started to learn about HVACs, and I start to like it, and different challenges every day, and I love what I'm doing, and we have a lot of customers that rely on us every day, so I'm pleased with my work. So
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, we know you saved our us one summer when our HVAC blew and installed a great system.
Right.
So thank you. What is the most avoidable mistake that people make with their furnaces and AC units?
A lot of customers don't realize that if you don't change your filters, 90% of the time when furnace or AC breakdown is because they forgot to change the filters. It's really simple. Change your filters. Just minor maintenance service. Always keep the furnace life longer.
What is your advice to homeowners for keeping their furnace working properly through the heating system?
Again, changing filters, number one. Number two is to check how you fire up for the first time. Make sure you have your smoke detectors, check the flue pipes and so forth, because sometimes you haven't started up the heat for a while. 6 months since last time you fire it up, could birds or squirrel might make a nest inside a flue pipe.
So would you suggest an annual service call from you?
Twice a year would recommend, one for summer, one before winter. It's a minor maintenance service, tune up and so forth, to check on the motors, the fuels and so forth. It only gonna add life to the unit if you have a properly function.
That's great advice, and I know when we go through our home inspections, and a lot of those issues come to light because it hasn't been maintained properly. So that's a good tip.
Yeah.
In addition to residential units, you also work on commercial installations as well.
We do commercial, restaurants, offices, buildings, big unit on a rooftop, but we also do residential.
Well, thank you, Phett, for being our guest today.
Thank you.
We really appreciate your time.
Great being here. Thank you.
We've been speaking with Phett from Three Elephants HVAC, your local HVAC resource for service, repair, and installation. Thanks.
All right.
All right.
And cut.
To learn more about Three Elephants HVAC, or if you or someone you know has real estate needs, please visit us at parkbench.com/Burke.